It is pretty chilly outside. I went ahead this morning and gave him some water already. And I'm going to go ahead and give him some protein. So let's go check on the girls. So I was going to let him outside this morning, but it is really cold. And I'm going to keep them inside. So I'm going to make sure they have enough protein for the day. And I have some extra ground beef that we're not going to eat right here. And I'm going to go ahead and give them the scratch stuff first. Alright. Get you some scratch. Come on, babies. Come on. Put them over here. And go look for it. I know, Papa. Come on. Y'all come get you some scratch. Come on. Alright. I'm going to put some over here. Like I said, I already gave them some water this morning because it was frozen. And I'm running a little bit late behind feeding schedule here. So I want to make sure at least I have water. So give them some mealworms. Alright. You ready for some mealworms? You are? Here you go. I'm going to put some over here. You're making a mess, girl. Put some over here. Make sure they all get some mealworms. I mean, they're having the extra ground beef today, so they're going to have plenty of protein. And I just want to make sure they're staying warm and have enough energy to, get through this cold weather here. So, all right. And put some over there. Some ground beef. Come on. Come here, babies. Come here, babies. I went ahead and warmed it up a little bit because I didn't want to give them some cold ground beef. And to give them something warm in their belly. Chris, you want to get some ground beef, Bubba? This ground beef we had in the freezer for a while now. And the reason I'm giving it to the chickens is because it's very fatty ground beef, and Tony don't like eating it, and I really don't care for it. So I'm just going to give it to the chickens. Girl! Here, Chris. It's enough for everybody. Come on, y'all. There you go. Annabelle? Girl, can you just take smaller bites? There you go. That's much better. Come on. I got enough for everybody. Yep, got enough for everybody. Girl. Come here, Chris. Here you go, Bubba. Come on. Come closer. Come on. There you go. There you go. Everybody can see my handsome boy here. Come here. Ow! That's my finger, girl. Throw some over here. Throw some over there. Here, baby. Woo! What are you doing? Ariana? Come here. Annabelle, come here. Come here, Adele. Adele, come here. Come here, Adele. Wind is whipping, ain't it? Yeah. Yes, I know. I see that. Here you go, Bubba. Once more. Yep. Some nice warm ground beef. Somebody said something about, I shouldn't give chickens raw meat. Well, think about it. They are, when they find a mouse, they don't cook it first. They eat it raw. Chickens are kind of like little dinosaurs. And they will eat raw mice. So, and this is extra protein for them, especially right now in this cold weather. And it's going to help them to stay warm. And I'm not as, upset about it if they don't lay as much eggs right now because of that reason. But because it is cold and, gives them body a little break. There you go. There you go. Girl, you got stuff in your big. Come here. Let me get this out of there. Here you go. Here you go. Come here. Chris. There you go. There you go. There you go. It just never gets old. I love feeding my chickens by hand, and they'll come and get it out of your hands. I just love it. Here, you want some? Adele. Adele, look up. Chris, come here, Bubba. Come here, Bubba. Come here, Chris. Come here, Chris. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here. There you go. There, my boy. There you go. Hey, that was not very nice of you. Here. Oops. Whoa, what are y'all doing behind me? Come here, Adele. And Adele's doing really good. Her leg, you didn't even tell her leg was disconnected from her bone, but she's doing really good. Can you just take smaller bites, please? I mean, you're going to choke on the meat. There you go. There's no need to take it all out of my hand. There you go. There you go. Annabelle. There you go. Chris, come here. You want one more piece? Come on, Bubba. Chris. Chris. Well, you're going to have to come here if you want a piece because the girls are taking it away from you. Come here. That sounds like a teddy on the roof. We'll have to check. There you go. Alrighty. So they all got their mealworms and their food and their ground beef. And they're going to be okay for the rest of the day and for plenty of protein. And that's a good way how to keep your chickens from, keep them warm because it is really chilly outside and they're going to produce more heat. And they will, have a lack of energy if you don't give them enough protein to give them what they need. So giving them extra protein. If you have some extra ground beef laying around or any kind of meat, and just make sure, if you have big pieces that you will actually make sure that they will be able to eat and not get choked on it. So, yes, y'all done? You got a full belly? Yes, it's really chilly outside today, ain't it? What you doing, girl? I know. I've been working on the farm to get stuff ready so we all can move over there. Yep, got my greenhouse done, and now I got my little storage building. I just really look forward to moving over there, and I'm gonna make y'all a real beautiful, beautiful area. Yep, got big plans. Yes, Ariana, I got big plans. Good grief. Let's go see what's going on up there. That cat, come here. Come here. Tut tut, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Tutty, you scaring the chickens. Get your butt over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here so I can get you down. Tutty. Todd. Come here. Come here. Slide in some more. Slide in some more. So come on. You come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. You crazy cat. Come here. Come here. Toddy. Todd. Come here. Come, 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 come. Come here. Come. Come here. You're not supposed to be up there. You're poking holes in my tarp. Come on. Come on. Come here. I'm going to have to put the camera down so I can get her. That little rascal. She jumped down. Let's see if I can find her. I don't know where she went. Oh, there she is. Let me see if I can get her. So I got her off the thing. So I'm gonna go ahead in here and clean the coop. And it's pretty cozy in here. And they're all coming out because Toddy scared them. So put that down here. Y'all wanna come in? Well, come on. Come on, babies. No, you want to stay in here? Hey, Carmel. Hey, Carmel. You can come in here. I'm not going to bother you. So a good thing about it's being cold. Let me just turn you all around. Good thing about being cold outside is that the poop is really hard and it's easier for picking up. And I wear gloves. So I'm not going to get it on my hands. And I know a lot of people think it's gross, but for me it's really important to have a clean coop and keep my chickens healthy. So that's why I'm doing this. Not everybody has to do this, and you don't have to do this. But it will keep a cleaner coop, and your chickens stay healthier that way. And that's just my choice. Like I said, you don't have to do this, but it's just, you know, it is what it is. Like, just think about it like a cat litter box. You don't want your cat to go into a nasty cat litter box. So I am keeping my cat litter box very clean, and also same here. I'm going to keep my coop clean, because my well-being of my chickens are important to me. So, and they are like family to me. Hi, baby. Well, come on. You want to go in the nesting box? Are you thinking about it? Well, come on. Yeah. There's a couple eggs in there already. Let's see if they'll go inside. Yeah, you can go in. Baby girl. again fell down. Well, come on. Y'all can go in. Well, go on in, baby girl. You can go in. I'm not going to bother you, sweetheart. Yeah. Go on. Go on, Jeannie. Go on, Jeannie. Come on. You can go in. Come on. You want to go into a caramel? You all settled in so I can come walk by? Alright. Put my gloves up. So they're all taken care of and got plenty of protein for the day. And ooh, that wind is cold. Teddy, you ready to go back inside? Yes, you are, aren't you? But yeah, just keeping them chickens warm through this winter time. You do not have to have heating lamp. Just make sure you have you know, the area covered up so there's no wind blow or nothing coming through, no draft. And make sure you have plenty of shavings or hay, whatever you got in there. And that's optional, and to keep your chickens warm. So yeah, I'm going back in the house and get me a cup of coffee and trying to stay warm. What do you think, Ollie? I have been putting out shorts, and I haven't been really making longer videos right now. But if you're interested in what we've been doing here at the house, and check out my shorts. And also at the farm, I've been working on my greenhouse and trying to get that area ready. And I've been putting out shorts about that, and also about my new building that I've gotten and been working on a pad. And yeah, we're just going forward, and it is cold out here. And the wind, that's what's really cold. So, but I know from some of y'all have already snow, so I'm grateful we don't have snow, but this is still pretty cold. I also want to thank y'all for subscribing to my channel and help me grow. And if you like what I do and show what we're doing, and make sure you push that subscribe button. And if you have some questions or, you know, comments, or, you know, I would love to hear from y'all. And if I don't see you before next year, y'all have a blessed Merry Christmas and a happy, blessed New Year. God bless y'all.